Good morning, students. Hope you all are fit and fine at your home. And welcome back to your nature study class. And guess, children, what we are going to learn today in nature study? See the picture and guess the topic for today. Yes, today we are going to learn about the tiny animals, the insects that we see around us. So, what are insects? Insects are small animals with 6 legs and a hard outer shell called an exoskeleton. Most have wings and antennae. Now, where do we find insects? Yes, children. Can you think? Where can you see the insects? Yes, we see insects in our gardens, park, grassland, near the ponds and lakes. Even we find insects in our houses. In our houses, which insects we find? Yes, mosquito, housefly, ants, spiders, and many more. So, now we are going to learn the features of insects. The first thing is that from the picture you can see insects have 6 legs. Most insects have 6 legs. Next thing is that you can see near the head they have 2 antennae. Insects have antennae. Some insects have longer antennae, some have shorter antennae. Whatever it is, they have antennae to feel the things. Next, see the picture, what it is. Yes, the picture of wings. So, some insects have wings. And what do they do with their wings? The wings help the insects to fly. So, there are insects which can fly with the help of the wings. Now, what do insects eat? Insects eat roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits, pollen, spores, sap, and other plant parts or plant secretions in a manner that varies widely. Now, coming to the life cycle of insects. How do they complete their life? First, see, this is the life cycle of ladybug. The adult ladybug lays eggs. From eggs, larva hatches. From larva, pupa, and again to adult ladybug. Next is the life cycle of a housefly. See, adult housefly lays eggs. From egg, larva hatches. From larva, pupa, and then to the adult housefly. Next is the butterfly life cycle. The adult butterfly lays eggs. From the eggs, caterpillar comes out. From caterpillar, pupa, and from pupa again the beautiful butterfly comes out. So, today we have learned many things about the insects. Insects have 6 legs. They have antennae. Some insects have wings. What do they eat and how do they complete their life cycle? So, these small creatures are also very interesting to study in our nature. Actually, they are nature's gift. Now, there is an activity for you children. Draw any 3 insects in your GK copy, color them and write their names. Okay children? So, thank you for watching.